How to delete recent ad activity on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete recent ad activity on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now head over to the bottom right corner on your menu. After you're on your menu, tap on the settings icon on the top right. After you tap on it, you should be on your settings and privacy. Now after you're there, you'll then need to scroll down. Now there are a lot of different options. What you'll need to search for is your activity section. So there we go. So under your activity section, head over to activity log. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll see your Facebook activity. Expand on it. And there you'll see different options. Now from any of these options, whichever was the ad that you interacted with, so you can choose that. If the ad was a post, you can tap on manage posts. If the ad was a message or group or reels, you can tap on either one of those. So let's just head over to comment and reactions. So let's say that you reacted to a ad, so head over to manage comment and reactions, and after you're there, you'll see your reactions here. So all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the three dots on the bottom right besides that reactions and tap on remove reaction. After you tap on remove reaction, it will just remove whatever you did with that ad, that is whatever interaction that you did with that very ad, and that's basically it. And that's how you delete recent ad activity on Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.